Personal finance is a crucial aspect of managing your money and achieving financial stability. From income and expenses to savings and investments, understanding how to effectively manage your finances can help you reach your financial goals and lead a secure, stress-free life. Here are some of the main categories of personal finance that you should be familiar with. 1. Income and employment. It is important to understand your sources of income and expenses, and create a budget that works for you. 1. This will help you manage your money effectively and ensure that you are able to cover your expenses and save for the future. 2. Spending and saving. One of the most important things you can do for your finances is to track your spending and set up a budget. 2. By creating a budget, you can control your spending and make sure you are saving enough money to reach your financial goals. 3. Debt management. Debt can quickly become overwhelming and impact your financial stability. 3. It's important to pay off debt, reduce interest payments, and avoid taking on new debt. 3. This can help you get back on track and improve your overall financial situation. 4. Investment. Investing your money can help you grow your wealth over time. 4. Whether you choose stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, it's important to have a solid understanding of the different investment options and strategies that are available to you. 5. Retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for your retirement. 5. Setting up a retirement account, investing for the future, and understanding your retirement options can help ensure that you have the resources you need when you're ready to retire. 6. Insurance. Insurance is a critical part of personal finance, and protects you from financial losses in the case of unexpected events, such as accidents, illnesses, or the loss of a loved one. 6. Make sure you have adequate insurance coverage to protect yourself and your family. 7. Tax planning. Taxes are an inevitable part of life, but there are strategies you can use to reduce your tax liability. 7. Understanding taxes, tax laws, and tax planning strategies can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. In conclusion, personal finance is an important aspect of managing your money and reaching your financial goals. By understanding the main categories of personal finance, you can take control of your finances and make sure that your money is working for you. Start taking control of your finances today and secure a bright financial future for yourself and your family.